do you like chickens? How about chicken pot pie? How about chicken nuggets?
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Can't get on, can't get off. Chicken train, take the chickens away.
Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in, day number 77, day number 22. And we are out here in the driveway with our friends, our little brooder friends, but they are brooder friends no more because they are on their way to the tractors out in the pasture. So I've come up with this brilliant idea to put the birds in the chicken dozer out of the garden so that we can transport them in one fell swoop without having them crammed up in those little black totes. So this is a bit of an experiment. I'm going on record now as saying I don't see a problem with this. They're protected from the wind on the front. Now, that's provided somebody doesn't drive Mach 7. Okay, it's 30 miles an hour through town. It's 40 miles an hour on West CY Avenue. So there's really no reason we should be straining these chickens through that back hardware mesh. They should just kind of have a nice little leisurely breeze, no big deal. So I'm on record as saying that. I've also agreed to take full accountability if this doesn't work. If we get out there and we have 154 dead baby chicks, then it's all on me. And I'll take the rest of the summer off and I'll go scouting for deer and elk and I'll have a great time. But I think they're going to be just fine. So we're going to head out to the pasture. We've got a bunch of help coming, so stay with us for that. Okay, so we have made it out here, and I don't know how, but those birds have managed to occupy only the front third of this deal. We're going to watch Mandy kind of get them sorted out here. Ooh, poopy, Nolan says. All right, so I have to get these tractors moved so we can get these birds in there, but we will be with you just shortly. Stand by. Hey, Nolan. Nolan, you know that if you put some of that chicken poo on your lips, it's like chapstick.
That's disgusting. Have you ever?
Oh yeah, I'm wearing some right now.
Ew.
Your lips don't get chapped.
Ew.
Actually, it doesn't do anything for your lips, but it keeps you from licking them.
That's true. Get down off the edge. Ready? There you go. Hang on tight. Okay, climb down.
It's okay, you're scary.
I'll go home poop on you.
Are we counting them?
No, that's why I was wondering if I should be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I know. You got a method.
Kind of big one, you want it?
You can come out.
Yeah. You're braver.
Be brave.
I can carry two at a time.
You got the method down.
Okay, where's the little guys? Where are you little guys? How many are you putting?
Welcome to your new home.
Right? Where's the little guys?
Yeah.
Get a hold. Get a hold.
Little guy.
Abby, there you go.
Oh, we got 31.
I got him.
You sure do.
Okay, so this is me taking full accountability. This is actually horrible. This has really changed the mood, changed the tone of the whole day. We had an absolute dog pile. So about the time we hit Poplar Street, the birds started to cram up towards the front third of the tractor, and we didn't get them out of here quick enough. I didn't get them out of here quick enough. And so because of that, we had some birds that got trampled. 15 of them to be exact. So that's a huge hit. It is what it is. We can't change it now. They're gone. And so now we've just got to deal with the deal with the fallout from that, and that's it. So me taking full accountability. Those birds, I didn't. The original concern was whether or not there'd be too much wind on them. I don't know that that was the problem. I think they just got crammed up. They got scared as they were going down the road, and they kind of dog piled up there, so, or chicken piled as it were. So, so that's me taking full accountability. I screwed up. Can't change that.
Show us what you got.
I got a grasshopper. I'm going to feed it to the bird.
One of the pretty shiny ones.
Okay, Birdie.
Here, hold on. You gotta wait for Aunt Mandy to film you.
It's chasing it.
Here, you gotta grab him by the wings because he'll pull his own legs off.
You have. What is that? All right, go ahead, give it to him.
Take this one from me. Did you get one? Awesome.
If you just put it down in front of their face.
It's dead.
What's that? What are you doing today? I don't know.
Whoa, that's color one.
Right.
I want to keep it.
What's that?
I want to keep it.
At that Wild store or whatever the hell it's called. It's down there.
It's okay.
What can you give him a grasshopper? You want an extra bird?
See, the birdie need to.
All right.
Died.
Are we turned on? Okay. Here we go.
All right, so we're gonna weigh some of our live birds that we still have.
Birdie.
What is that, 14? Okay, Abby, you gotta stay back. 14.2.
Whoa!
14 ounces.
I'm gonna grab one.
So we're gonna get another one here.
Now, do you want to go grab one and take a
I was
picture?
thinking about this the other day.
Just sticks her head like
Don't do sand. Go over here. You
one.
have to do step
watch your foot.
by
By
step by step.
Here's a pretty good sized one.
Okay. Larger of the birds.
He's a pretty nice one.
Oh, thank you, Abby.
Yeah, with the grass.
1.1 pound, 1 ounce, right? Just
Yeah.
1 pound, 1 ounce. So, okay, so 1 pound here. What's that one, Abby?
Okay. So here, you hold this guy.
Go over there. Yeah. Because they'll go over and do that, but they forget these other 3 steps that are.
1 pound, 2 ounces.
Yeah.
So they're all right around a pound. That's great. Okay, so birds come onto the pasture at about a pound.
Yeah,
We plan on having these birds come off of the pasture at about 6 pounds. So that's the plan. Stay with us if I don't kill them all. Okay, so in spite of our little crisis there, we've got everybody settled in on the tractors. And like I said, in hindsight, that was a huge mistake. We should have just hauled them out here the same way we've always done it. But I was trying to be more efficient. And excuse me, one of the things that we noticed when we brought them out here in the totes is that they got really hot, and they spent about the first 20 minutes in the tractors just panting, trying to cool down. So my bad. I'll take full responsibility for that again, and it is what it is. But everybody's in here. We've got them all buttoned up, and we've got water to all of them. We're just going to let them get acclimated, and then we will check on them again this afternoon. So stay with us. All right, so not our best day of chicken farming. However, doesn't end up too bad when you can watch young Nolan catching grasshoppers and feeding them to the chickens. It's kind of neat watching this little guy's hunter instinct come out, because he's running around here finding grasshoppers to catch, because he really enjoys feeding them to the birds. And he's watch him get all stealthy. Stealthy, super stealth mode. You got one, Nolan? Grab him. Grab him and let's let everybody.
We even have wings.
Man, okay. Well, are you done catching grasshoppers? So anyway, we beautiful night here on the pasture. Sun's just starting to set. Now we had a heck of a gully washer a little bit ago, probably about an hour and a half ago. It rained. I mean, it rained hard. So we waited till the rain quit, came out here, and everybody seems to be doing okay. Everybody's well. Of course, helicopter chicken mom, Mandy, decides she wants to block up all the corners of these because if we don't, something's going to eat all the birds. Even though we've kind of salted the mine with 15 carcasses way on the other end, she's still going to go ahead and block that up. So anyway, birds are doing well. They all seem to be settling in. Our friends here are just waiting for Nolan to throw more grasshoppers in there. I really think these birds are going to get it. They know what it's about. As far as the grasshoppers, they're kind of getting a taste for them, and hopefully they'll be hunting them when we turn them out so we can move these tractors. But that's it. So we will check in with you guys tomorrow morning from the pasture, and until then, Wyoming James saying adios.
Chicken train running on